Driving the car during summer can be a real challenge, especially when the intense glare from the sun makes it nearly impossible to see the phone screen. To address this issue, I've come up with a clever solution: a small hood, 3D printed from ABS material that you can attach to the phone mount. This little shade creates a shaded area on the screen, allowing you to easily see what's going on the display, even in the harshest sunlight. But that's not the only use I've found for this nifty hood. I've discovered that if I turn it upside down, I can serve it as a makeshift cooling compartment. Now I can use it to keep my chocolate bars chilled while driving, taking advantage of the car's air conditioning to maintain the perfect temperature for the sweet treats.